Good evening, everyone. This is Anna Maria Millet, and I'm making another easy, delicious recipe for you. Right now here I have some sliced onion that I sliced up pretty thinly. I'm also adding some peppers. So here I've got an orange pepper and a green pepper, and I'm wondering if you can guess what I'm making. Okay, I'll give you guys a hint. Yep, I'm making sausage and peppers. And this is super easy. Really, all the prep is just cutting up your veggies, putting some olive oil, and I'm just gonna cook these right in the pan with my veggies. Sometimes if I have a lot of veggies and a lot of potatoes, I'll cook them separately, but today I don't. So I'm just making space for them. I'm gonna season with a little oil and salt and pepper. Don't be shy. And I'll stir them a little bit while they're cooking. And I'm just gonna watch the oven. I'm gonna put them in a 350-degree oven for at least half an hour, and then from there I'm gonna watch. And when the sausage are nice and cooked and the veggies are nice and cooked down, just gonna add a little black pepper. Once I think they're done, I'll take them out of the oven. So I have a nice preheated oven. I have my dish with my sausage links and my cut up peppers and onions. If I wanted to, I could also add a little potato to this, and they'll cook nicely as well, but a super easy dish to prep. Okay, I'll show you what it looks like in half an hour. So here my sausage and peppers are about halfway through cooking. So I turned everything, I kind of gave it a little stir. And I'm gonna put them back in the oven. I'll check them again in half an hour. I might put the temperature up again in half an hour if they're still cooking really slowly. But it should be great, good to go. Hi everyone, so sausage and peppers just came out of the oven. They cooked for about an hour. I did put up the heat a little bit on it. Went from a 350 oven to a 375-degree oven to a 400-degree oven just to crisp everything up a little bit. But super good. They look amazing. Really easy prep. Really easy weeknight meal for your family and friends. And you can always slice up some Italian bread and make some nice sausage and pepper heroes. So really great. You can add potatoes to this if you want. Let me know if you like this video by subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Just press that like button. Really excited to be here with you. Let me know if you enjoy my recipes, and have a great evening.